it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout, and I'm scrapping using more Valentine's product, but not for Valentine's layout. I did one in the layout before, and I'll do it for this one as well too. So back in most of my Valentine's Day product is crepe paper. They just make awesome or made awesome Valentine's Day products. So I'm taking that red striped paper, which is crepe paper Love Notes. It's the checked out paper, and then this gorgeous heart paper from the Paper Hearts collection, which is, I said this on the last video where I used paper hearts, that it is my favorite paper ever. I've been saving that scrap for a while. This paper is from 2011, although I think I had a pad from this later on. So I'm feeling like I need, I don't know, a little extra of something here. And so I'm going to cut this strip of this heart paper here and put it, or chevron paper, and put it under the heart paper. That chevron paper is crepe paper Kiss Kiss. It's the gemstone paper from 2014. So you can see I'm using really old product here. I need to get through my Valentine's Day stash. The dictionary paper, which is the background, is the crepe paper Love Notes Dearest paper, and then the aqua dot, which is the matte for the photo, is the crepe paper Love Notes Classic Love paper. And again, you can't really get these anymore unless they do digital files, and I don't know if they even do. I know American Crafts, like you can get Schmelz, some of Schmelz collections in digital. All right, so I'm going to leave a fairly large border on the bottom. I love seeing all the colors from these hearts. I don't want to take up too much. And then I decided I have this cut apart heart that is from one of the crepe paper cut aparts, but I don't know what collection this was from. And it was very square, and I decided to actually emphasize the heart shape here and just cut it out. So I'm inking everything in Memento Dewdrop. It's all crepe paper, but some of it, like the dictionary paper and the heart paper, is fairly vintagey. So I wanted to bring that all together. And I was thinking about using a little journaling spot, a piece of a journaling card in white, but the rest of the product is very vintage. So I decided not to do that. And I'm just kind of looking to see how can I embellish this page besides that heart. And nothing is really coming to mind here. It just doesn't seem to be working. I did like that, but there's also not a lot to say about this. I did see from one of the cut aparts, this is crepe paper as well too. I just don't know which one as well. This Sweetheart. And this is my sister's oldest grandchild. So I thought it's just a sweet picture. We went to visit them last September. And so she got to give them a bath. And so I went and took the photo. Anyway, so I grabbed my Paige Evans hashtag sticker book because I remembered some of the colors. Like I like that green, that kind of minty green, and I remembered that collection having it. So I'm just going to go through and see what I can find to maybe use on this page. Here's some of these flowers. I really like those flowers. I like that little kind of clipboard piece, so I'm going to add those in. And I keep those books right to hand so that it doesn't matter what I'm doing, I can do it. So there's 2 more flowers I found that will work with this, and they pull in the colors that are in that paper heart paper. And the colors aren't exactly the same, but I think they're similar enough that this works. There's lots of different shades of pink and red on this. And then I realized I forgot to ink the stickers before I put them down, so I'm going to have to go back and do that. And then on top of that, I'm thinking, oh, I don't have dimension on here, so I have to figure out what I'm going to do there. And these stickers in that book are thin, so they rip fairly easily. And I ripped this one again, so I decided not to take it off any further than I already have, because I don't want to make the tears any worse. So I want to take this sweetheart word and put it up there. I think I'm going to make that part of the title. He is definitely her sweetheart, or one of her sweethearts. She actually has 3 grandkids now. She went from 1 to 3 this last year in 2020. So 2020 was a good year in her family. All right, so kind of toying with this one as well. I want to bring in some more colors to that top cluster, and I think this one does a really nice job of bringing in some of the reds and kind of the goldy yellow colors that are in the hearts that are on that paper. So it's just kind of fun to see what you can find as you go through this. And then I found this little sticker that says important, and I'm feeling like I need a cluster on the top of the heart paper on the right side there, right there. So it'll be just a little bit lower than the one on the top left. I'm just going through to see what I can find. I was hoping for another flower in a pink, but I couldn't find another one. Not big enough anyway. So I decided to just pop that orange and yellow one on with the word important. Because it is important that she's his Mimi. All right, so just then I found this other flower, and then I tried another one and decided I just like the single flower. But this page does have leaves, so I'm going to add leaves in to make sure I've got the green in all of the clusters. And I'm sorry, guys, the color on this is blowing out because of that white background on the white background there on the sticker book. So I have to remember to keep those to the side. Although I do like you to be able to see what I'm doing, but every time I kind of get it there, it blows out that. And I think it's focusing on the black in my sleeves as well. So that color balance keeps going off. So sorry about that. All right. So we got all the leaves on. I have the flowers on, and I'm much happier. And I didn't pop anything up on the flowers on the far right side. I just let it go. So then I'm grabbing my LE Studio Puffy Alphabet stickers and that aqua color to write Mimi's above the sweetheart. And they're good for subtitles, but they're also great for smaller titles like this one is. And then I'm thinking here, I was thinking maybe gold, and then I found these, and they have this really great green that matches. And I did do 3 in the green, and I think after I shut this off, I replaced one of the green ones with one of the cream dots, or one of the green ones in each cluster with one of the cream dots. You'll see that in the still shots at the end. It just emphasized the cream even more. So there is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.